Welcome everybody, we are in the Rahil kitchen. Hi Rahil, how are you?
I'm fine, not too bad. How you doing, man?
Not too bad, thank you.
Good. Welcome to Food Diggers, guys. Today we are making chicken chow mein. It's very easy recipe.
Right.
Especially it's for bachelors who are living together. They can make it at home. Daily routine ingredients we're gonna be using. So come inside, Shiraz. I'm gonna show you.
Right, let's find out.
So for this we're gonna take 2 pieces of chicken breast.
Right.
And ingredients we're going to use it. 1 spoon of red chili.
It's for marination or?
Yes, it's for marination.
Okay.
1 spoon of red chili, 1 spoon of black pepper,
Right.
1 spoon of salt, and a pinch of ajinomoto, and 1 lemon juice.
Do you know what it's like?
It's like
Chinese
Chinese
salt?
salt, exactly.
Okay.
Exactly, it's Chinese salt. So, as you can see, guys, you can cut into small cubes. It's really nice. Hi viewers, now we are frying the chicken. Hi guys, you see, after 5 minutes of frying the chicken, you see it's become a little bit tender. Hi guys, you see the chicken is completely dry now and really nice tender, you see. So now I'm going to show you other ingredients which we're going to use it, which are these. This we have taken 1 bunch of spring onion. It gives you really nice flavor in the spaghettis, and this we are going to use it at the end of the mixture, at the end of the mixture in the spaghettis. This is paprika, green pepper, alright? So you cut it in small cubes, see? And here we have taken 2 pieces of carrots. Hi guys, I've taken 4-5 cloves of onion. I've fried in oil, and these are the little. We are putting carrots for fry now. After 5 minutes of fry, then we're gonna. Hi guys, now we're gonna add the ingredients. Mix it well. We're adding this chicken.
It's fried chicken cubes, right?
Yep.
Good. Wow, don't wait for it, bro.
You're gonna eat your fingers, bro.
Of course, I'm gonna eat it today.
You see, this nice color is coming out. Okay, now we're gonna add
What is it?
2 tablespoons of soy sauce. There are 2 types of coming in there. One is dark and one is normal, light. This is the dark one, so I have added 2 tablespoons. If you find the light one in market, you can add 4 to 5 spoons. So finally, we have put all the ingredients, mix it well. You guys put this spring onion at the end, so it gives you, like when you eat it, it gives you really crunchy flavor.
What you mix in the last, what is it?
This is the spring onion.
Okay.
Wow, bro, it gives a very nice texture, man, and I believe it's gonna be very tasty.
Yes, it does. You're right. Hi viewers, the water is boiled, and now gonna be fry the spaghettis. I'm taking 2 packets of spaghettis. You're gonna just break it in 2 pieces.
I need some nice power for it.
Yeah.
Guess we almost needed to it.
Yes. Okay guys, our noodles are ready. You see.
You boiled it, right?
Yeah. I boiled it, drained the water. It's ready. Now we're gonna mix all the material in there.
Wow. Yes, it
And
is.
now our friend's gonna try it.
Thank you very much, Rahil. Seems nice one, bro.